Hello everyone, welcome to the Rlaarlo workshop. Today we'll show you how to apply body decals for the TK07. You will need a 1.5 hex screwdriver, a craft knife, a body reamer, tweezers, 2 rolls of trim tape, 1 sheet of decal stickers, both of which are included. First, use the screwdriver to remove the snorkel and side turn signal lights from the shell. Then, remove the 8 screws that hold the interior in place. Unplug the 2 wire connectors from the front headlights and the light control board and pull the wires through the interior openings. Open the interior and remove the 8 screws that hold the door handles. Note, the inner clips have front and back sides. Make sure to distinguish between them. After removing all parts, get your decals ready. Clean the shell surface with tissue and alcohol to make it spotless. The decals have left and right sides. Pay attention to the correct orientation. Start by applying a small section, then use your hand to press firmly and work forward bit by bit. Don't spray water as this can create too many air bubbles. Just press down with your fingers. Make sure to align properly as you go. Once everything is applied, if there are any air bubbles, use your fingernail to smooth them out. Apply the body numbers and letters on the decals as shown in the video. Use the body reamer and other tools to pierce through the decal areas that cover the door handles and turn signals. Then reinstall all the previously removed parts in their original positions. For the roof edge trim, use the silver tape from the accessories pack and apply it along the raised edge around the top of the shell. Go all the way around. For the door lines, use the black trim tape from the accessories pack and apply it along the door gaps. You can also use the included tape to decorate any other panel lines like on the car body hood here. That covers everything for applying the body decals to the TK07. Thanks for joining us again at the Rlaarlo workshop.